Yeah, welcome to QA Talks Community, Episode 3 on 2nd October 2022. From QA Talks Community, powered by XLQ, Catalan, Virginon, Tech Sigma, and Prover. I'm your host, Divya Barnwal, Senior QA Engineer at CAMK12. Coming to the testing latest update. Yeah, testing latest updates are new top software testing uptrends in 2022. First, Agile and DevOps, test automation. Third, API and services test automation, artificial intelligence for testing, integration of tools and activities, test environment and data, mobile test automation. Top software testing trend in 2020. These are the emerging software testing trend that one should watch out for in 2022 as we live in the world of unprecedented exponential changes driven by technology and digital transformation. Organization and individual need to remain aware of the development in this industry. Keeping with these trends would give test professionals, organizations, and teams the opportunity to stay ahead of the curve. Second, shift left testing. Shift left testing, a typical software development process in sequential 1970s to 1990s defined requirements, analysis, design, code, test, and deploy. In this process, testing happens towards the end. Problem uncovered by testing at such a late stage can cause costly redesign and delays. The idea of shift left is to involve testing team earlier in the process and to the think about at all stages of the process. When software development process is viewed as a left to right sequential process, doing testing earlier may be seen as less shifting it to the left. Third, new now introducing new job title in software testing industry, QA Ops. QA Ops refer to quality assurance with software operation. It focus on achieving the quality for the developed software with a DevOps approach in a QA as a service, which is called QA Ops new software testing designation. Third, fourth, sorry. Selenium 4.4 version update, adding support for CDP releases in Chrome version 104 while 101 was removed. Virtual authenticator feature was completed across languages. All languages binding will throw an error when W3C false is set in the Chrome option. Improve health check and request with non-W3C locator for relay nodes in Grid. For more update about 4.40 release, you can visit www.selenium.dev blog 2022 under release section. Now, Cypress 10.9.0 updates. Cypress added support for requiring dependencies with the cy.origin method callback. See the cypress.require method and see cypress cy.origin method doc for more information. Added support for visiting cross-origin pages outside of a cy.origin callback method. See the cy.origin method and cy.visit doc for more information and caveats addresses hash 21,485 hash 22,282 hash 21,300 and hash 23,236. Cypress added support for reusing the session data caused by cy.session method across space by the cache across space option. Address hash 17,710. Cypress added support for advanced dev server configuration by an async function that can optionally modify the dev server config. Address hash 23,322. For more update, Cypress 10.9.0, you can visit the Cypress website docs.cypress.io guide under reference section change log for 10.9.0. Now come to the sponsor update. Sponsor updates like first XLQ. XLQ is honored to have been selected as the number one front runner in automated testing software category 2022. Front runner access highly rated software product based on factors like usability and customer satisfaction. As ascertained by user review rating, Frontrunner reports feature products that user have rated highly for their capabilities and customer satisfaction. Now, for the more update, you can visit http www.xlq.com. XLQ powered codeless test automation platform product on the cloud. Products are web API, mobile, and manual for the all type of testing. XLQ provide the platform. Second sponsor Catalog. Catalog Test Cloud enable testing across multiple browser and multiple version releases of those browser on demand at a scale. Engineering team no longer have to compete for compute resources within their data centers and seamlessly integration of test ops and Test Cloud means even those new to automated testing can leverage this powerful capability so they can focus their effort on software delivery instead of the overhead involved in test execution environment. For Test Cloud, visit the catalan.com resource center blog. What is new in Catalan platform 2022? Let's come to the Catalan website. Catalan Catalan provide modern comprehensive quality management platform. They provide more solution like web testing, API testing, mobile testing, desktop testing, and visual testing, which is AI driven testing. Now come to our third sponsor update. Prover's main takeaways from Dreamforce 22. Another Dreamforce conference is over by Prover, and the team at Prover is setting back into home base in various corners of the world. What's new is Salesforce. Salesforce Jenny. The big announcement was Salesforce Jenny, a undefined data visualization platform. By harmonizing data that is updated every millisecond, it enables teams to meet their customers right where they are. Jenny is a real-time data source for Salesforce CDP and does have a UI that can be surfaced in the Salesforce cloud on the core platform. With Prover's support for UI testing and APIs, we are well placed to support Jenny. Watch this space. Visit the main website Prover's for support. If you are a Salesforce tester, then you must visit the website of Prover. It will support for Salesforce testing. Now, our fourth Fourth sponsor Test Sigma. The various way you can contribute to Test Sigma open source community. If you are a coding contributor, you can build an add-on, fix an open bug available under the issues tab here. GitHub.com test sigma test sig slash test sigma slash issues. Adding a new feature or enhancement, Beginners check for first issues here. For not coding contributor, report a bug, create a feature request, improve the documentation, fix typos and inconsistency, add basic information, add flowchart, etc. You can visit the Tech Sigma website also. You can find more valuable information. Test Sigma provide the product like application types, web application testing, mobile app testing, API testing. Test Sigma also provide use cases for regression testing, cross-browser testing, data-driven testing, and continuous testing. Test Sigma features involve in test development technique, test execution on the cloud, reporting and analytics, test data management. Also provide visual testing, AI test-driven test automation on the cloud. Now, come to the corporate update. Recently, Wipro fired 300 employees found to be moonlighting for competitors. Wipro recently suspended the employee of 300 employees who were caught moonlighting while remaining on the company's payroll. According to the firm's executive chairman, Risat Premji on Wednesday, moonlighting is the approach of performing multiple jobs at the same time, and remote working has made it easier for employees to do so. Technology and software firms in India are split on whether or not to permit their staff to moonlight for their firm while remaining on their payrolls. If you look at the definition of moonlight, it is having a second job secretly. As a part of transparency, individual and organization can have many candid conversation about whether they want to play a band at night or work on a project over the weekend. This is an open conversation that two adults, the organization and the individual, can make a choice about whether it works or does not work for them. Premji said, please be honest your organization and don't do moonlighting. Now, come to the second corporate updates. Virtuoso seated in landing global analytics report on the continuous automation testing trend landscape. Virtuoso, the worldwide pioneer in AI-driven automated testing, has been recognized by Forrester in report titled The Continuous Automation Testing Platform Landscape Q3 2022. Forrester's overview of 37 providers, which analyze the state of continuous automation testing, which is called CAT market. Now, come to the third update like Tesla boss Elon Musk presented humanoid robot Optimus. Tech billionaire Elon Musk has presented the latest prototype of a humanoid robot being developed by his Tesla electric car company. Optimus appeared on the stage at a Silicon Valley event where it waved to the audience and raised its knees. The CEO said robot was work in progress but could be on sale to the public in a few years' time. Tesla mass market robot will be tested by working jobs in the car factory, company engineer says. Now, welcome to the job updates. If you're looking for job, then here are some jobs in India for you. Movement, Senior Quality Assurance Engineer in Gurgaon. Movement is established in Gurgaon, Haryana, India. This is an on-site QA test, a mix of both automation and manual. Experience required 4 years and more. Apply by short URL dot at dot bd dot 134. Location Gurgaon. Phynixera. Hiring test engineer Phynixera, Chandigarh. Fintech product company. Experience required for the company 4 to 8 years. Job location Chandigarh. Key skill API testing, database testing, ETL testing. If you are interested, then call, take a screenshot of this number or apply from their website. Infosys. Infosys is hiring for testing Infosys is hiring for testing, functional testing, 4 to 5 year experience, skill functional testing, automation testing, 2 to 5 years, skill Selenium automation testing, Java, ETL testing, 2 to 10 year, skill data warehouse. Again, jobs update in India, Infosys. If you're interested, then share your resume on the below mail ID with all detail and CV. ravikant.kedre@infosys.com. Candidas is also hiring for manual QA in Pune. Drop your resume at alicia.patnaik at coditas.com. Send resume to the email ID with mention your cover letter and attached CV. In Sapiens is also hiring for automation engineer 4 plus experience for applying. Share your resume to sonam.madan @publicsapiens.com. You can add reference name as Rohit Chauhan. If you are looking for a job apart from India in Southeast Asia, like, then you can send your resume. Acumet Malaysia hiring for manual tester, work location Malaysia, experience level required 2 years to 6 years. You can mail your resume on hr@acumet-infotech.com. Also Mindgraph in Malaysia. Automation tester, .NET developer. If you're interested, then quickly send your resume and updated CV on anusha.g@mind-graph.com. Take a screenshot you can so that you can send your resume on the below on the mentioned email. Now, come to the job updates in Europe. A2G Tech Netherlands. Multiple Scrum Master position at the rate A2G Indover slash EDE at Amsterdam. Share your CV to A2G Technology jobs at a2gtechnology.com with attached resume and cover letter. A2G Tech Netherlands requirement 1. Verification and validation engineer. Here, A2G Technology require 4 plus year experience in verification and validation engineer slash test engineer. Also, you can share your CV on the same mail ID jobs at a2gtechnology.com. Humanetic Germany. QA engineer come to join my team at Humanetic 100% remote. Company has 80 to 140K base plus stock. Amazing global team. Endless opportunity to learn and work with the new tech. You will work as a part of our core engineer team to design and build software for our users. Experience working on distributed system is key, and some in DevOps tool and automation testing is a plus point for this company. Now, come to the various job updates in US. Sorry, UK. Nasal Frank International. Skill required for this company is AD of CSAT, JavaScript or Delphi. Experience desirable. Knowledge of VCS, for example, Git. Knowledge of Azure, DevOps, Jira or similar for the test script. Test plan, defect logging and resolution tracking. Requirement QA manual tester, location London, England and United Kingdom. Redundancy. QA engineer. Redundancy is looking for a talented QA engineer who is passionate about building quality software. Also location London, England and United Kingdom. If you are interested and generate a great CV so that your CV will catch through the by the recruiter, then here are some tips for CV writing. CV writing for software tester by Malaysia Fresher. Tip 1: keep your CV to 1 to 2 pages. Keep the length short. Hiring managers, recruiters look at a lot of the CV, so you want to keep it short and to the point. Tip 2, spelling and grammar. Spelling mistake and grammar problems is a bit sloppy. So make sure you put your CV through a spelling and grammar check. One way to use this is put your CV into Google Doc and run the spelling and grammar check. Tip number 3, remove your personal information. We have seen a lot of CVs that have personal data in them, date of birth, marital status, full address, hiring manager. Don't need any of this information to assess you. Delete it because it taking up space in your CV. Tip number 4, have a good summary. We have see a lot of CV that do not have a good starting line. A few lines about yourself, what are you up to at the moment, and what are you looking for? Why do you want a new role? What excites you about a software tester role or moving to a new role? Is it for career growth? Happy customer. Please, for more tips, read blog finissorthodox.medium.com. You can get more tips for writing better resume, better CV. Now come to the blog update. In blog update, we have exploratory testing. Exploratory testing and the exploratory testing and the category of exploratory testing. Definition: exploratory testing is about exploring, finding out about the software, what it does, what it does not do, what works and what does not work. The tester is constantly making decision about what to test next, and where to spend the limited time. This is an approach that is most useful when there are no or poor specifications and when time is severely limited. Category of exploratory testing is freestyle exploratory testing, scenario based exploratory testing, and strategy based exploratory testing. Now, come to our second blog update again about the exploratory testing, the benefit of applying this process to my team by Lucia Ramiro Breza. Agile teams need a manual testing approach that is adaptable. Software changes very quickly, produces large amount of information quickly, fast feedback. Exploratory testing is a perfect fit. We move through the software rapidly, poking and prodding to reveal unintended consequences of design, decision, and risk we did not consider in advance. Now, again, exploratory testing benefit of applying this process to our team, my team, and why it is valuable. Share document knowledge between all the tester, feedback to the developer as soon as possible, different perspectives, devs, QA, designer, product owner, product manager, and other teams, etc. Evaluate the usability and UX of the product, log potential new test ideas and the product ideas. Change and adopt our test based on the results. Results give value to the project, thus providing instant and reliable information about the test item we are working with. Now, come to the certification and training update. If you wanna put some value to your resume and CV, then here are the some certificate which provide which increase the weightage of your resume and CV. First, ISTQB Advanced Level Test Automation Engineer. Did you already reach an advanced level in your testing career? Are you a test lead or a test automation architect? The ISTQB Advanced Certificates priced approximately at $240 is something to show off in your resume. It is one of the globally known automation testing certification. The module covers in the certificate will help you to develop your expertise by covering a wide range of topics For this certification, some are the prerequisite, like there are two criteria that you must fulfill for appearing in the exam. Candidate must hold the ISTQB foundation level certificate. Candidate must have sufficient knowledge and experience in the automation testing domain. Now, come to the ISTQB certification view. Here are the advanced level test automation engineer certification. You can visit the website ISTQB and found more information about this certification. Now, if you wanna be a Cypress tool expert, then you can visit www.tech-talk.info, where you can find more information about Cypress. You can, if you wanna be a Cypress expert and you want training on Cypress, then you can enroll for the from this website. Also, we have started weekend batches. That's all for today. We will be back with another Q&A episode soon. Please let us know what you want to cover in our next news, so that we can cover all the points from your side also. Drop the suggestion in the comment section, and send your suggestion in on YouTube and LinkedIn also. That's all for today. Thanks for watching our QA News Live episode 3. If you wanna take more update about the jobs and testing, then you can join our Discord channel from QA Talks community, where you found plenty of job updates. You can follow us on LinkedIn, YouTube, and Facebook, our community page, by scanning the QR code. Please take the screenshot. And once again, thanks for watching our QA Talks Community News Live episode. Thank you. I'm signing off today, your host, Divya Varnwal.